Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure AWS CloudWatch alarms for EC2 CPU spikes step by step clearly. Open the AWS Management Console in your web browser. Log in with your credentials. In the Services menu, locate and click on CloudWatch. Once in CloudWatch, navigate to the left sidebar and select Alarms. Choose Select Metric to proceed. Under the Browse tab, click on EC2. Find and select Per Instance Metrics. Locate the instance for which you want to set the alarm. Click on CPU Utilization to choose that metric. Click Select Metric at the bottom right. Now, define your alarm conditions. For threshold type, select Static if you want a fixed threshold. Set the threshold value to determine when the alarm should trigger. Choose greater than or equal to, depending on your needs. Select the period for how often CloudWatch should evaluate the metric. Typically, you might choose 1 or 5 minutes. Configure the additional settings as necessary. You can define the number of evaluation periods before the alarm triggers. Scroll down to the Notification section. If you want to receive alerts, select an alarm under Send a Notification to. Create a new SNS topic or select an existing one for notifications. If creating a new SNS topic, provide a name and add your email address to receive alerts. Click Create Topic if you are creating it anew. Review your settings to ensure everything is correct. Finally, click the Create Alarm button to set up your CloudWatch alarm. You should now see your newly created alarm in the Alarms dashboard. To test the alarm, simulate a CPU spike on your EC2 instance. Monitor CloudWatch to see if the alarm triggers as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.